Guam Preservation Trust conducting an assiduous bossing to all present here and to all the people of Guam for their commitment to preserve our heritage. Picture Paga in your mind's eye for just a moment. Tranquil, peaceful, spiritual, latte stones, lusum, abundant plants, medicinal herbs, dramatic limestone formations and cliff lines, the remnants of an ancient village, and the ruins of a church. All of this has survived for centuries. This is a place that continues to play a meaningful role in the cultural practices of the Chamorro people. I ask you to hold that image in your mind as we go through today's presentation. We are here today as a responsible community that respects the cultures of all people. A community willing to resolve conflicts, and most of all, a community that is willing to come together collectively to work for solutions that preserve Guam's heritage. We invite today all members of our community, on island and abroad, people who live here today or who lived in the past who plan to make Guam their home in the future. We want them to join our efforts to save the historic village of Paga. The conceptual plans for new firing ranges on the bluff above the historic Paga village have caused a great deal of concern to our communities. The firing range concept design, as shown in the draft EIS, significantly limits access to the site. It's got security fencing, and we understand combat training will be in that vicinity. These are activities we believe that may cause direct physical harm to the irreplaceable village of Paga. As a community, we, including our military community, share the responsibility to preserve and protect historic resources and to work toward finding a location and firing range design that does not harm our historic resources and that concisely utilizes the limited land resources on Guam. We call on our educators, our community leaders, and our families to join in our efforts to educate and work together to save the historic village of Paga.